Y2K is coming back. It is coming back, so I am on top of it. And I went ahead and bought back some bags that I sold like maybe 10 years ago. Check the trends, people. 80s comes and goes. 90s already came back with that grunge look. And I see Y2K out there again. We see those low-rise jeans and all the other funny things we wore in the 2000s. Now, how do I know? Because my job used to be in product development and product management, where I had to predict the trends to create the product that would be out a year from now. I saw the Fendi baguette coming back, and guess what? I saw it on Poshmark for $200 and I didn't buy it, and now she's well over $1,000 for those old Fendi baguette bags, which by the way now costs $4,000 to buy brand new. Oh, also saw the pochette accessoire for around $200 to $400. Didn't jump on it. Now they're like way over $1,000. Anyhow, so guess what I did? I bought back those Y2K Coach bags that I had sold about 10 years ago. These are Coach bags circa 2003 to 2005. Yeah, 2005-ish. Now, in no way is the Coach bag a comparison to the pochette accessoire, but back then, back in the day, that's what I was comparing, because I was buying the bags for practicality, not knowing that the pochette accessoires from Vuitton would be collector's items. Basically what I did is I sold 2 Coach bags, and they were different colors than the ones I actually bought back. So it's like I rented them out and just got them back in different colors. I think that's brilliant, actually. So, let's give her the spin. This is the Coach DEMI bag. I had this girl in red, and I sold her. I think I sold her for $99, and she was in perfect condition in red. Guess how much I paid for this one? She was only $18. $18 on Poshmark. I am so bougie. You can see it's marked up a bit, but I'm really okay with it. She's gonna get the regular treatment of taking a bath, and maybe that will get some of the watermarks out. So she's gonna take a bath and get some leather treatment. Otherwise, she is in pretty darn good condition for a 19-year-old bag. So I am loving it that I've got my Coach DEMI bag back. Bought this bag because I was starting to reason with people about why I had not bought a pochette accessoire in 2003 or 2005 like I should have. So here's my pochette accessoire. You've seen my little girl before, my Murakami. I love her, she's beautiful. Now at the time, the pochette accessoire without the cherry blossoms, I'm sure if I had seen the cherry blossoms, I would have bought her, but I just wasn't into Vuitton. So anyhow, the plain one without the cherry blossoms ran about $200, and I believe the Coach bag, okay, I sold her for $99, so she was probably $125. So accessoire was probably around $250, but not more than 3. Coach bag, let's say not more than $150. So back then, the difference between the 2 little baggies, Coach and Vuitton, was only $100. At the age I was, like in my early 20s, $100 was a big deal, because that could have got me a tank of gas and dinner and going to the club, and probably like a new shirt to go to the club, because you know, we could stretch our dollars. Can't do that anymore. $100 these days is just dinner. Anyhow, so that was my reasoning, and that's why I kept thinking about this bag, because I was telling people, well, I didn't buy this bag because I bought the Coach bag, and if you compare them side by side, I felt like I was getting more for my money with the Coach bag with the leather bottom, and there's just much more room inside than you would get with the pochette accessoire. This one you can like barely even put under my arm. Like I would get my deodorant and my sweaty armpit on the bag, and I hate ruining bags that way. So that was my reasoning. Had I known then what I know now. Anyways, that put the Coach DEMI bag back in my head. So I actually had her in red and loved it, then I sold it. Let's do a what fits, because it's still gonna fit most of the things I need. My wallet, my AirPods. Oh wait, hold on, shameless plug. I've gotta show off the phone case and the AirPods case. These were both sponsored by this company called Glurst. So check out the link in the description for those covers. So phone, AirPods, oh, what else do I need in here? There you go, key pouch. Always wear your sunblock. That's a good amount, that's perfect. My next Y2K bag. I originally had this little girl in a totally different color. I originally had her in pink with white leather, and she was beautiful. The original price tag on it, I recall, it was around $250, and I sold her for like $125. I was surprised that I sold it for $125. Anyhow, so I saw this on the Poshmarks and was so surprised. I was like, that's the bag. And this lady was selling it. I paid $25 for this one. Can you believe it? Because my original one was a gift, and then I had sold it for about $125. It's not like I'm out any money. Like I said, it was like I rented my bags and just got them back in a different color. Love red. Red is my color. So here you go against the beige outfit. You might have heard me talking about bags before, how I don't really like black and beige, because when you put it against an outfit that's black or beige, there you've got a nice little pop of color. It's like wearing a red lipstick. So look at the big buckle, very Y2K, right? Does not have a crossbody strap, so neither of these bags have a crossbody strap. And this just opens with a magnet. You can see in here, she fits a little more than the other one. She actually can fit quite a few things. And there's a zippered pocket inside, and there's also a pocket in the back, and that is perfect to put the phone in. There you go. I can actually probably put the whole pouch in here, like my pouch of stuff. Like I've got my hand lotion, my powder sunblock, my nasal spray, and a couple of lipsticks in here too. Wait. One more thing, shameless plug, here's a couple of lipsticks from Merit, another company that I'm affiliated with. My keys, wallet, and the phone in the back pocket. Okay, she's a little stuffed, but fits quite a bit. I've got to give her a name, a Y2K name. Brittany, we'll just call her Brittany. I actually saw a mom and a daughter, and the daughter was carrying this little bag. That was like about a month ago, so that's what made me think about it again, because had I kept my red bag, my little girl would probably want to use it too. Coincidentally, I noticed that Winnie B, Yoda, and Autumn all are doing a Coach collection, my entire Coach collection. Even though they didn't include me in the collaboration, they just forgot to tag me. I'm gonna do it anyways, girls. I think they'd be okay with that. Anyhow, so I'm so happy to share my great finds. Again, $18, $25. I love to share when I've saved so much money. I love saving money over spending money, even though I'm trying to slim down on things in my closet, and here I am adding things, but come on, I couldn't resist. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for joining. If you haven't shopped Poshmark yet, check out the link in my description. You can save $10. My name's Michelle. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.